Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Dota 2 Valve anti-cheat was unable to verify that your machine is secure. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam. Then you need to go to library, click on the Dota 2 and go to properties and make sure on the launch options there is no this command. Insecure, right? If there is, just delete it, restart your Steam and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here is first to completely close Steam, press X, and then on system tray, close Steam as well. And then what you need to do here next is to go to Steam shortcut, right click on it, open file location, and then you should see again Steam, right click again, open file location, and then you should find Steam exe file. And all you need to do here is to right click again, go to properties, compatibility, and run this program as admin. And after that, launch Steam. And we need to wait for a couple of seconds until Steam load up. And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to library, go to Dota, right click on it, go to properties, and then verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your files, some files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. So it will take you a couple of minutes, but after that, you just need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, just right click again, go to manage and uninstall the game and reinstall again, and then definitely it should work. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care, bye.